Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be me testing out a product that has gone viral. I saw this a couple weeks ago on Instagram and I was like, I have to try it. I have to try it. I have to try it. So if you guys want to see me try this heatless curl tutorial slash trial, please keep watching. Don't touch my hair. Okay, so like I said, I saw this on Instagram and I was like, her hair came out beautiful. I'm gonna put a snippet of the I don't know if it's a TikTok. It could have been TikTok that went over to Instagram. I don't know what it was, but her website was sold out. So there was another YouTuber who I found and I subscribed to her channel. I love her now. I'm gonna put her name here on the screen because I don't remember what it is. But she tried it out and she ended up linking this one to Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and we're gonna try it out today. This is what it comes with. It comes with a clip and 2 scrunchies. And here is the roller that you're gonna use in your head. So it looks like it was pretty simple. When she tried it out, her hair came out super pretty too. So that's 2 people that I saw. Hair came out bomb, so I'm like, I gotta try it. I gotta try it, I gotta try it, I will see. So my hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned, and now it's time for me to actually blow dry my hair. I think that's gonna be the best way to start. All the ones that I've seen, all the reviews that I've seen, their hair was kind of straightened, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair and I'll be right. All right, so my hair is all fully blow dried and as straight as it's gonna be. So, all of the tutorials or reviews that I saw, they had a middle part down the middle, so I just stuck with what I normally do. But the way you use it seems really easy, but let me see how it's gonna go for me. So it's just this long piece of soft roller. You place it on top of your head, like so, with a clip to hold it in place. I'm gonna put it kind of like towards the crown of my head. And so I'm gonna do I have to do one side at a time. I'm gonna start on this side. So what I saw them do, ooh, maybe should I put some type of mousse, or I'm gonna put a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my hair, just so it'll have something to it. I just did 1 pump of this Mael leave-in conditioner that I had in here. So I hope that doesn't mess it up, but we're gonna see. And I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, which is my Kenra moisturizing oil. I'll put a little bit of that, probably like 4 little daplets, and put this on top of it just so it won't be dry, or look dry rather. All right, girl, let's style. Okay, so let me put my hair, let me put this side up so it can be out of the way. Now, we ready. Take your hair and wrap it around. Take more hair and wrap it around. Take more hair. Y'all, I don't know how this is gonna come out, but we gonna just roll with it. I don't even know if this is right. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet and just try to wrap in my hair all around this thing. See, it's not tight right here. This is not tight. Let me start over. Okay, this, y'all. How am I supposed to secure my ends? Let me go back and watch a video. Hold on. Okay, so I just went back and rewatched the video and I felt like I was doing it wrong. So I'm about to try it again, take 3, and I think I have to be more precise on where I'm parting my hair and getting my curls. So when I saw it, when I rewatched it, what she was doing was taking a piece of hair, wrapping it around, keeping this piece, purposely separating the next piece like a braid, wrapping it around, combining it with the first piece, taking the next piece, separating it, wrapping it around. So you get my drift of what I'm doing? So I think this will work out better for me because it's more purposely rolled. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of it and go all the way down. Now I still didn't see how she secured her ends, but if all else fails, I'll slap some mousse on that and call it a day. But I feel like it's already looking better, like more right. It wasn't like the loose parts and all that how I had earlier. So if you guys get this, just make sure that your parts are intentional when you're wrapping and adding more hair. Okay, so now that I'm down to the bottom of it, I'm going to add, I didn't bring that in here. I'm gonna get some mousse and add the mousse to it to wrap it around. Hold on one second. All right, so I grabbed the Maui Moisture mousse. So I'm going to take some of that and apply it to the ends of this part just so it can lay flat and secure. This is kind of sticking out too. So girl, we're gonna get you down too. So now I feel a lot better about it, and I'm going to wrap it up this way and then secure it with the scrunchie. Do it 3 times. Tight. Okay, so that side is done, and I feel pretty confident. In it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. Okay, guys, I am done with rolling my hair. I'm gonna hope for the best of this, and we're gonna see how this comes out. I'm going to put a satin bonnet over my hair. Let me show you guys what it looks like in the back. There is a big part in the middle, so I don't know how that's gonna look tomorrow, but I'm going to go ahead and sleep with these, and it's not very tight, which is kind of good. There's a little movement to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and sleep with these in my hair. Let me add some more mousse to this little bottom part because, listen, we can't be having no flyaways. I need it to be smooth. Lay down for mama, please. Thank you. Get ready to go to bed. It is currently 8:40. I'm going to take it out tomorrow and show you guys. I'm going to come back tomorrow and take it off on camera and see how these heatless waves, curls, all that look. And we'll see. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I do not have high hopes for this because as I was sleeping last night, I felt like this roller was like super loose. I took it off this morning trying to make it tighter. It was a hot mess. I really want you guys to see exactly my struggles with this hairstyle. So this is what we're working with. This. So this is, I don't know. I'm thinking it's gonna be a fail. I don't know how to keep it tight. I even tried like rolling it tighter and it didn't do it. So I don't know what I did wrong. I might have to go back and rewatch their videos to see. But this ain't work out for me. This was, but let me see if it's still, if I at least have a curl, I'll be happy. I mean, On their video, they just like took it up and it was like curls that just came out. That ain't my story. That ain't my story. So, I mean, I did have some curls here. My hair is so bushy. This is a fail. Like, this is just not a hairstyle that I would ever do. I mean, I can't even, this is so aggravating. This is so aggravating. I have somewhere to go and now I don't know what to do with my hair. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here with this fail that I have. I'm gonna probably do a raw set tonight on my hair since it's already blown out, and just put my hair in a ponytail for where I have to go. Yeah, I might try and do this again, and if it comes out decent, then I may try to film it again, but as of now, yeah, I look a hot mess. So I know you guys did not enjoy this video, but still subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos that were a success. This is why I stick with wash and goes, because I know what I'm doing. Everything else is just trial and error, and this one was an error. So thank you guys for watching, and I will check you out in my next video. Bye.